my cooch.
I told you to watch the
Oh, yeah, this is good.
Yeah!
So you can ride that bike. Now you jump in there and see how it
Hold
feels.
on, man.
Don't be going nowhere.
Yeah!
Going nowhere,
Come
you
on.
asshole.
Let's start it up, man.
Just feel the vibration.
Hey, I told you.
Hey, take it around the parking lot.
Come on, let's... Hey, Pappy, hold the Phillies hat a minute.
Huh?
Don't let here, hold the hat.
All right, I got it. Just take it around the parking lot.
Don't be afraid, babe.
He's taking it down the alley.
What do you have to say there? We're live now on Channel 6 News. What would you say about that?
Oh, get me out of there.
Get him out of there. Okay, Sammy, what do you say on that one?
There you go.
My family was out hang out tonight.
He's coming back, eh?
I hope he's got
Wendy
my wife
Ziegler.
on the back. Well, maybe I'll just take off now. Hey, where's my keys?
She has them.
I better not say that. This thing's recording. So maybe I'll
That
Got
ain't
her
right.
great granddaughter there.
Oh, is it?
Her mother, the other one's her mother's in there.
I don't know where they went. I hope she has her phone with her. I'm gonna pause now because like hell. Oh, here they come.
Jason, your dad. I've graduated, Jason.
There they go down the street. I see him up there.
We're on the same state champion team. 13
The
years
girl's only 16 years old.
Is she? Here, watch. Here they come back.
Wait, when you got, did he stay at the house where the parents left?
Her mother's in there. She come to pick her up because she don't drive when she's drinking.
Oh, I got
Great
you.
granddaughter, they're related.
Who's the mother?
Her mother and her dad's brother.
Oh, here, look.
Campground in Hornell. Ask about it.
I love it, she said. Okay, well, how was that ride there? Now, don't burn yourself.
Yeah, don't burn yourself.
How'd you get off? I don't know. Wait till we get home.
What?
How do you get off?
Said, how do you get off? I said, wait till you get home.